This is the place, so you must follow this route, and it should rain heavily, remember, then only you will see waterfall. So it's very unfortunate that it is not raining, and also there is no waterfall. But look at this. What can I do? Okay, time to go back. Look at this lake. This is the lake, which is around 3 to 4 kilometers from Karwadi village. The lake swimming is not allowed, so if you are planning to come, please do not enter in the lake, because swimming is not allowed, and it's written clearly there. किसका कर्स लग गया? Let's take some rest. Wow. Let's go Fayaz. Whatever it is, but at least the target of daily ride is complete. Okay, I'm going back, and now rain will start. Funny part is, when you plan, that time it will not rain, but when you start going back, rain will start. Oh no. Suddenly it's bit of dark. मैं अभी घर आके बैठा हूँ, रेस्ट ले रहा हूँ. ये देखो, हल्की हल्की बारिश है. कमाल है यार, कमाल है.